Should you invest $599 in HomesnapPro Plus, or do it yourself? If you've been anywhere near the MLS in the past few weeks, you probably came across Homesnap. It's a mobile home search app directly linked to our MLS. Unlike Zillow, Homesnap does not sell advertising. Users will only see the listing agent or their preferred agent when they search for homes. So make sure you get the app on the phone of your clients. We really like HomesnapPro, the agent version of the app. It's free for Columbus Realtors. To learn exactly how to use it, go to Homesnap University for agents. The upsell. While HomesnapPro is free for realtors, there's an upsell. It's called HomesnapPro Plus, and it costs $600 if you pay monthly. Should you invest in Plus? Before you decide, you need to know what's included. Homesnap promises Plus users a verified Google business profile, including regular posts on the profile and client reviews. You may also get access to flashback photos. That's pictures of earlier listings of a property. Why you need a Google business profile? A verified Google business profile is the easiest way to rank on Google organically for local searches and on Google Maps. Google wants to be the directory of all businesses, but they rely on you to provide the correct information. As most agents don't have their profile optimized, there's a good chance you will outrank your competitors if you verify your profile and keep it up to date. How to set up your business profile? Setting up a Google business profile is free. Simply go to Google My Business and follow the instructions. You can also verify your profile instantly by text or email. It's important to fully complete your profile and include a short description, business hours, and photos. Use the address of your brokerage or your home address to show up on a map search. Don't forget to create a few posts and ask your clients to write reviews on Google instead of Zillow or other portals. How will Google rank your profile? Initially, your profile will only rank for very specific searches like your name, realtor, and city. However, over time your ranking will improve based on these criteria: accuracy and currency of your profile, number of client reviews and how fresh they are. You will rank well if you can add a new review every few weeks. Frequency of posts. You need to post on a regular basis, at least 2 times a week. Needless to say, this is a business profile. So go ahead and post listings, closings, open houses, and anything related to real estate in your community. So should you invest $249 in HomesnapPro or $599 for HomesnapPro Plus? You can do it all yourself, but it takes time. And you have to be consistent. Posting and asking for reviews has to become a habit. Do it for 3 months and you will see the results. If you can't commit to posts on a regular basis, it's better to outsource these tasks for a full year for $249. That's the discount price Homesnap offers to realtors in Columbus. For more expert tips and strategies, please visit columbusrealestatecoach.com/blog and be sure to follow us on Instagram at agent_insider. And until next time, thank you for watching.